Hello everyone, how are you all? This is CA Ankita Patni and today I have come in front of you all to share with you a short incident that recently happened when I had gone for a picnic with my family. So what actually happened is we had gone to an hill station for a picnic and my friends parked their car on the slope. The 4-year-old son of my friend was playing around that particular car and suddenly that car started to move. Practically, that son was going to be caught in the wheels of that car. But before that, my friend watched that particular thing and rushed to that car and lifted up the bumper of that car so that the child is not crushed in that wheels of that car. From where did my friend get the energy to lift the bumper of the car? I'll let you know, but after one more incident that I want to share that I had recently read in a book. There was a bungalow which was literally caught in fire. When the owner of the bungalow came to know that his house was in flames, he rushed to his house. Everyone was staring at the house with no hopes of anything to be saved. And suddenly, he saw that his wife was coming out of that house with his child in her hands. What had actually happened? He wanted to know about it. He inquired about the same to the people who were standing there and came to know when the house was broken into fire, everyone started to run. In fact, the fireman who had a 40-year experience said that he dared not to go inside the house. But suddenly the mother of the child remembered that the child was sleeping upstairs in his room. She got that energy and just forgot about everything and ran into the house, went upstairs into the room of the child and got that child outside. Everybody thought that she would come out like a pakoda. But in fact, not even her sari had burned. So how was this possible? How did this miracle just happen? You know, it was the love for that child that gave her that energy to just forget about everything and go inside and save her child. Today, if you ask that lady to even stand near fire, she would not even do that. She cannot become a heroine for the rest of her life. That efficiency has now gone. So how was that possible? Only for that particular moment. It was because this particular love gave her that inspiration, that energy and motivation to save her child. This is exactly what you're supposed to do in your life. In fact, every man has that particular energy within himself. It is only that inspiration which is required. And this inspiration will lead you to do miracles in your life. Everything is possible. Thank you. Stay inspired. Stay blessed. All the best. Bye bye.